Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got an unbagging unboxing to do today, and I've just been trying out a few more storage solutions. So yeah, I've got one of each of these storage pots that I did put drills in not so long ago, so that you could see how many fitted in each one. And yeah, I thought I'll go and buy some more. Now this one is a complete mistake, because I expected that to be a lot bigger, and judging by the it's not very big at all. So we'll have a look. Shall we? No, we'll look at this one first. They weren't cheap, I have to say, and for what they are, they're definitely not cheap. I have had a quick look at this one because I wasn't sure which one it was. I'm trying to find something that's a little bit like Harbour Freights that ourselves in the UK can get, say, from AliExpress or from somewhere, because we don't sell Harbour Freights, and by the time you get them, they're just so expensive in postage that it's not worth buying them. So let me just move these to the side a little bit. You watch, I'll knock them off, but they have all hopefully got fairly secure lids. That's how a jumbo one look there. Okay, so this is a, what are we, 3, 6, 9, 12 storage container, and it was £7.44. Oh, it's supposed to be, oh, they've done me. There's supposed to be stickers in here. Oh, there is stickers. Oh, right, okay. So it says it's a 16 piece. 16 pieces, and it's cost me £7.44, but with tax and postage £8.92. So I've basically paid £9 for what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14, 21, 28, 56 stickers, 12 pots and a case to put them in. 12, 13, 14, 15. So unless they count the bag it comes in, I don't count 16. But anyway, hey ho, you live and learn. I buy these things, so hopefully you'll learn from my mistakes. Yeah, so we got the stickers, which they're counting. I mean, I, to be honest, looking at the picture on the website, it does say 12, to be fair to them. They do look pretty good size containers, to be honest. Quite a nice little closure on them. Little sort of rectangle, all rounded edges. But again, unless you're doing very small paintings, you're going to need a lot of these, and they're going to take up quite a big footprint, aren't they? Let's get measuring. We'll measure the outside case first. So it does clip, so it closes shut, which is good. They are those that just sort of pop open, like similar to these but a lot bigger. So I'm thinking eventually that this hinge may loosen, or this clasp may loosen. Might not be so secure once they're fastened, but that one's alive. It's just tried jumping off the desk. Right, so we're measuring the outside first. Okay, so it is, I think it's quite pricey. I think I'd sooner put the money towards a 30 storage container with the little bottles in than pay for this. 21 centimetres, which is about 8 1/4 inches that way, by 18, just under 18 centimetres, which is about 7 inches that way. And then depth, we are about 1 and a bit inches, which is about between 2.5 and 3 centimetres. So quite sort of slim, but as I say, if you're doing any sort of diamond painting with a lot in it, then yeah, more than 12, you're going to need more than one of these. And at the price, it is quite pricey. And again, I'm sure I didn't pay much more for the 40 storage one. With these, I'm going to try and see how many. I haven't got all my drills, but we'll see. There's 2,400 drills in this one, so we'll see if these fit in here. I should have got a tray really. So yeah, so that's 2,400 in there. So I would think you'll probably get, oh, there's a bit of plastic in there, look, at least another 200 in there. So they are a good size. I don't know. I knew what I was buying and I knew what the price was, but yeah, I'm not sure that I would buy any more. They're good for special drills, maybe as an overflow if you're doing a big kit and you want, you know, a lot of drills rather than using these larger pots. Yeah, I would think possibly even another 2. So I'm going to call about 2,800 in one of these, so that you'd fit in comfortably. Yeah, because they're quite, so I've not got the drills out. I should have brought the drills out really, and then I could have shown you them, couldn't I? But yeah, so they're a good size. Where's my tray? I heard a collective gasp then when I started trying to pour these into this tub. And it's a good, oh look, they're going everywhere anyway. Let me just pour them into there. Yeah, oh, they're not good, although you can get your pen in and they're good for dipping into, they're certainly not good for pouring out. So yeah, I will keep looking, because I have had people ask me about harbour freights. It's not something I've tried, because as I say, although I've spent all this money on these, I won't spend the money on the postage. Okay, just tip those back in there. I must get these drills back in the kits that they belong with, to be honest. But, as you've seen on previous videos, I am still tidying out my craft room. I've contacted, I belong, strangely enough, looking at pink, I've supported for a long time, even before I lost my friend to breast cancer. Well, I've lost 3 friends to breast cancer now. I have supported, we've got in Hull and East Riding Hairbreast Friends, which stands for Hull and East Riding Breast Friends, and I'm donating a lot of craft stuff to them. So I've decided, rather than putting it all away for another 3-4 years and not using it, I'm going to donate it so somebody could get some use out of it and hopefully raise some money as well. Oh look, that one's the wrong way around. Let me put these all the same way around. Oh dear, I've definitely OCD. Either that or it's developed as I've got older, but yeah, I just need to have everything the right way around. But yeah, I mean, the nice little containers, I think they're possibly more aimed at a jewellery maker or a crafter that has lots of little bits and pieces, rather than diamond painters, because on the whole, as a diamond painter, you do need more than 12 colours. And if you think you're doing a painting with like 40 colours in it, you're going to need what, 3-4 of these, and you're taking it up to what, 7-14, nearly £30, and you can get the 60 storage cases for like for £20. So yeah, okay, so that was at least another one to try, and that one came from, as I say, AliExpress. It was the IO store, good store. Okay, yeah, so I'm not quite sure how they've counted to 16. Maybe I should have had another sheet of stickers, but okay, I'll put the stickers in with it for now. I may put that in a mystery pack, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, oh yeah, some people were saying yes, they're interested in mystery packs. What I've said is, with my mystery pack, what I'm going to do is similar to what other creators, other YouTubers have done, is just literally put some random paintings in a bag and send you them and just charge you slightly over postage. So it could be paintings that you like, it could be paintings that you're not keen on. If you're not keen on them, pass them on to somebody else, but I will get price worked out. I'm looking possibly around the £6-ish mark. That would include UK postage, but obviously if you live out of the UK, then I would have to look separately at postage. I can't say charge you £6 and then it costs me £10 to post it. So we'll see anyway. But again, if you are interested, I'll keep a list of names and then I'll see where we go. Right, this next one, goodness me, is It's a 20 grid clear display case organiser, and with postage and the taxes that have to be added on now, it was £7.34. So this is 20 grids in here. Actually, I'll keep that one out so we can compare, because that one's 12 and this one's 20. Where's my squizzers? Let me get my squizzers out. Oh dear, can't believe it. Oh my games, right. Oh, okay, right. So, let's just get this little critter out of its packet. Yeah, these are more aimed at jewellery people, aren't they? If you do jewellery, I'm sure you'll let me know. It's a long time since I've done any, and I didn't really have a lot of storage when I did do bits and pieces. So yeah, all right, let's have a look. How do we get into this? Just looks like it's gonna, oh, it flips up here, I think. Is it sellotape down? No. Oh right, so so it's a separate lid with little grids on the side. And then what are you? Oh, okay, they're similar to the Elizabeth Ward storage. Right, so how do these open then? Oh, they're quite stiff. And I don't think these are going to fit much in at all. They're real dinky little doodahs, look. That's your little 28 storage ones that we get. I don't even think you'll get 800 in there. Let's just try it and see what we can get in these. Yeah, these are way too small. I suppose you could use it for keeping your spare special drills. What would you use them for? Let me know in the comments down below. Oh dear. So yeah, this was a definite miss buy. So, oh. I reckon if you've got 400 in there, that you'd be lucky. So very, very small. Yeah. That's, yeah, I would think that's probably about 400 drills. That's all that you'll fit in there. I mean, they're very nicely made. Again, quite a high price. I suppose that you could use, you know, if you had, actually, yeah, if you had like little charms that you were maybe selling, you could maybe use them as like little packets to sell them in, because people aren't going to be able to open these very easily to pinch them. You've got them on a stall. And I suppose they'd just pick that up, but oh my goodness, yeah, they're quite difficult to open. Maybe it's just me, I just seem to struggle with these things. But yeah, there's 20 of them in there, 4x5. So I don't know, for once I'm actually saying this is smaller than I expected. I'm usually getting stuff and saying, oh, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. But no, in this case, these are definitely a lot smaller. So let's just measure one of these. Little teeny tiny things. Right, so we're about 1 1/4 inches, which is 3 centimeters. By the width is just under 1 inch, which is about just under 2.5 centimeters. And the depth of them is just over 1/2 inch, which is about 1.5 centimeters. So yeah, very small. And the little footprint of it, and it is all that hard plastic as well, which is also prone to, if you drop it, they do crack, a bit like phone covers, phone screen covers and things, because I've dropped a few of those, and they're this material. And well, my last one was anyway, and it cracked right across the front. Okay, so this one is 5 inches, which is just under 13 centimeters, by 5 3/4 inches, which is about 14.5 centimeters, and the width is 3/4 inch, which is just under 2 centimeters. So yeah, it's oh look, I've got a drill there that's escaped. Shall we leave it in there? Yeah, I think we'll leave it in because it's quite difficult to open. So So unfortunately a little bit of a miss on the storage containers today. So we've had the little 20 storage container, which only hold about 400 drills, we said, didn't we, which cost £7.34, and then the 12 storage containers, which probably hold about 2,800 drills, so they're a good size, but at £8.92. Oh no, they're £9, aren't they? So 9, 18, 27, 30. So you're looking at about 36 if you're wanting to kit up a 40 container painting. So quite pricey. But then I suppose if you prefer these and prefer using a wider, sort of a longer, wider pot, then these may be ideal for you. But at least it's another couple to have a look at that you've seen now before you have to go out and buy them. Okay, well, that's me done for now, so I hope you've enjoyed looking at this with me. If you have, a thumbs up is always much appreciated. Any comments or questions, if you leave them in the comments down below and I'll get back to you. And if you would like to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.